In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open two Excel files side by side on Windows 11. If you need to compare two spreadsheets at the same time, Excel has a built-in feature that makes this very easy. Instead of constantly switching back and forth between files, you can place both workbooks next to each other and review them more efficiently. This is especially helpful when you're checking values, comparing lists, or looking for differences between two versions of the same document. To get started, open both Excel files you want to work with. Make sure each workbook is already open in Excel before moving on, because the side-by-side view works with files that are currently active. Once both files are open, click into either one of the Excel windows so it becomes the main window you're controlling. At the top of Excel, click the View tab. This tab contains several layout and window management options, including the one you need for comparing files. After opening the View tab, look for the option called View Side by Side and click it. As soon as you do that, Excel will automatically arrange the open workbooks so they appear next to each other on your screen. If you have more than two Excel workbooks open at the same time, Excel may ask you which workbook you want to compare with the one you currently selected. In that case, simply choose the correct file from the list. This step helps make sure you're viewing the exact two spreadsheets you want, especially if you often work with multiple files during the day. Once both files are displayed side by side, you can begin comparing the contents visually. This layout is useful because it keeps both worksheets visible at the same time, which reduces distractions and makes it easier to spot changes or missing information. You also have the option to turn on synchronous scrolling. This feature lets both worksheets scroll together, which can save time when the files have a similar structure and you want to compare the same rows or sections at once. To use it, stay in the View tab and click Synchronous Scrolling. If the sheets line up well, this can make comparison much smoother. If they don't match exactly, you can simply leave it off and scroll each file independently. That's all there is to it. By using Excel's built-in side-by-side view, you can compare two files more clearly and work much faster on Windows 11.